Very good afternoon, students. Welcome to Hospo Expert channel. Today we have got the new topic, that is side station. Now we are going to discuss about the side station. What is side station basically? So first we are going to define it about the side station. See, the side station basically is a part of our restaurant which is help to give the assistant to the steward, to the captain, and the person who are serving into the restaurant. Now I'm going to tell about the different type of name of side station. Firstly, the name of the side station is dummy waiter, and next is side station, and then it's also called as credenza. It's also called as sideboard. It's also called as side table. So these are the name which is known by the industry person, known by the hospitality person, right? And then we are moving towards the size and height of the side station, width and size. So height of the side station from floor to top is 36 inches and width is 18 inches. If we talk about the table, height from the floor to top is 30 inches, and it's a universal rule that we always take the size of side station should be above from the guest table. Now we can tell you what is the correct use of side station. Basically, you can see here we can put the menu card. Here there is a water jug. It's always covered because these are the water jug which are used for service of water. Then we have the different pigeon holes. Like pigeon holes are divided into different compartment. You can see here tea spoons we can keep here, soup spoon and miscellaneous or tongue. And another compartment we have another pigeon hole, that is epi spoon, epi fork and epi knife. So this is the storage area where we can keep different type of cutlery, flatware and spoon into the racks. Now you can see here, if you see in downward of the side station, you can see the tablecloths, naprons, runners and other shelves. You can see here there is a storage space for butt wash or extra crockeries you can put on the B&Bs. So this is about the side station, and it is actually used for restaurant service. The person who are dealing with the food and beverages into the restaurant, or service food and beverage into the restaurant, they take a help of the side station. Whatever kind of dishes steward is going to serve on the side station, it is difficult to serve along with the multiple dishes. So we can do that. We can put on the side station. We can serve one by one into the table. For this kind of more informative videos, kindly subscribe our channel Hospo Expert. Thank you so much.